Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare egg gravy. So let's see the ingredients. I have taken eggs, 5 eggs, and I am marking like this. Mark it like this and keep it aside. I have taken tomatoes. I have boiled the tomatoes and removed the peel like this and cut into small pieces. And next onions, I have taken 3 to 4 onions, turmeric powder half spoon, oil, red chili powder, coriander powder 1 spoon, half spoon pepper, 3 to 4 cloves, jeera and cashew nuts, and 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, salt, coriander leaves, and 3 to 4 red chilies and green chilies of 2 to 3. Let's start cooking. I have taken a pan, add little bit of oil, and add 3 to 4 cloves. Add onions, red chilies, and add little bit of salt. Let it fry for 5 minutes. I have fried little bit. Now I am going to add boiled tomatoes. Now let's cook it for 10 minutes. So that the tomatoes and onion will become soft. So let me cook for 10 minutes. For more taste I am adding cashew nuts. Leave it for 5 minutes. Tomatoes cooked soft. Now switch off the stove. Let it cool. After that I am going to grind it. I have done paste like this. Now let's take a pan. Add little bit of oil. And little bit of salt. Turmeric powder. And little bit of red chili powder. I am going to fry the eggs. Add eggs. Fry it for 2 minutes. I have fried the eggs. Now remove it. I am adding some more oil. After heating, I am adding jeera and green chilies. Add ginger garlic paste. Now add tomato paste. Add turmeric powder. Sufficient salt. And red chili powder. Coriander powder. Mix it well. Now I am going to add little bit of water. I am going to cook it for 10 minutes. Cover it with lid. Now let's check it. See how oil is floating up. Now I am going to add eggs. Add eggs. Add pinch of pepper. Now cook the eggs with gravy for 5 minutes. Yes, it perfectly cooked. Gravy became thick. Now I am adding coriander leaves. It's ready. Now let's serve in a bowl. Egg gravy is ready. Thank you for watching. Please try it and subscribe my channel for more videos.